organic farmers meet open.
Microgreen is a good source of vitamin C, energy and carbohydrates. Fenugreek is also a good source of vitamins, proteins, minerals and fiber. It is shown to contain antioxidant, anti-diabetic and lactation also it reduces the risk of depression. And this is persimmon, a fruit, stone fruit originated from Uttarakhand, which is a honey-like taste, sweet, mild.
Initiative is led by Goldcrest High, Vashi. It's a school run by Manjara Charitable Trust. It is the leading school in Navi Mumbai, and here we are talking about the Sustainable Initiative, which is also a part of the initiative by the school by the name GEO. So today we are at the school where we have initiated and conceptualized organic farmers market, and this is an initiative conceptualized by the school, executed by the students, supported by the parents, and is actually for the society. We want to get the students out of the classrooms and laboratories and get them out there in the society and create an environment of sustainable education and supported by activities where sustainable agriculture, farming, and various other things, like we also have Fairtrade here, where this is the first time I think which is being introduced in this part of the world, and sensitizing our students and the society, and actually focusing on quality, and through which we are also empowering the farmers, where they get the fair price. And it's not only about fair price, it's also about fair practices. So, there's a sort of validation where the farmers get, and also the consumers get a validation of the right product. So yes, I think this is one initiative of the many that the school has sort of successfully executed. And I'm happy to be here today, to be a part of this initiative. And we want to do this more and more. School, through their students, teachers and parents, want to create this environment of sustainability or sustainable world, so to speak, by such events.
Aditi ma'am, how 21 Organic associate with this initiative, and what is the contribution in this concept?
So 21 Organic was a brand established in Latur in the year 2016, mainly to help transition farmers from conventional to organic farming. We began with training them and helping them unlearn and relearn organic farming methods, and creating markets for them, beginning with Mumbai, to be able to sell their produce from farm to table directly to the consumer. This initiative began in 2016 with fresh fruits and vegetables, but has transitioned in the past 3 years now to include medicinal herbs. We started with ashwagandha 3 years ago, and we began with about 10 acres of land as a trial. We went on to 100, and this year we're doing 600 acres of certified organic. We're certified by EcoCert. We have about 200 odd farmers involved in this initiative. And yes, I think 21 Organic has always tried to blaze a trail and create markets, create awareness around organic farming. And when this initiative came about at Goldcrest High, Vashi, which is also one of the brands that has been established by the family, we saw an opportunity to collaborate between two brands, Goldcrest and 21. 21 works with farmers in organic practices, and Goldcrest was introducing this wonderful initiative to create awareness in society about fair trade. So we just brought the two brands together. 21 Organic is supporting this initiative, and also by its presence will pull in farmers and other organic producers from the Marathwada region around Latur, bring them to Bombay, create space in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai for them to be able to interact directly with the community, the society, the parents, the neighborhood, and provide an opportunity for the students to actually inculcate life skills and introduce life skills. This is a wonderful opportunity for students to from the cities to directly interact with the rural communities, the farming community, and create a bridge between them and the society. And anything led by students is always very well received by the community. The community comes in to help, to support, to encourage. So we're hoping the community in Vashi will do exactly the same thing with this initiative, and we're hoping that we can grow it. We're making a start here. We had some wonderful presence from Mr Mukharjee and Mr Narvikar, who have committed their support. So I think it's been a very successful initiative.
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks.